How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Let's talk about how you can make more money than just about anyone this cycle. Besides the one or two people that get lucky and buy a meme coin at $1 million and that goes up to $1 billion. Let's talk about how you can actually outperform the market this cycle and what I'm doing. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this one. Also, check out the link to Weex underneath the video. I'm going to leave it right underneath and in the comment section. If you want to leverage trade, we are going to be talking about this a bit today. You can check out the link underneath the video and you get some sweet bonuses. We're working on a deal right now where if you have VIP on a different exchange, you can get VIP +1 over here, meaning lower fees. Also, if you want to check out the link underneath the video to Patreon, I have a link down there. Let's see where that is. It's somewhere here. There's a link to my new Patreon where you can sign up and you can get access to what I'm doing, what I'm trading. You can get exclusive videos as well, so definitely check that out underneath the video as well. It'll be the second link down. Now, this market is crazy. Yesterday, we had massive swings. I mean, we're talking, let's go down to the 15-minute here. Look at this candle. We went from 102 to 110 in two candles, in two 15-minute candles. It was like 20 minutes. We went up $8,000. And then at one point, we went from 106.7 to 100. So a $6,500 candle in about 35 minutes, 40 minutes. This market is extremely volatile. Now, a lot of people will lose money this cycle. A lot of people will buy at all-time highs. A lot of people will make bad decisions and continue to buy altcoins when they're hitting 300%, 500%, 1,000% gains late into the cycle. And while I think things are really bullish right now, you have to realize that at some point the music will stop, right? We'll see altcoins drop a significant amount because they'll be overvalued. Right now, I don't think the market is really overvalued, especially with the strategic Bitcoin reserve looking like it's going to be signed like literally any minute. It seems like that's coming today. By the time you're watching this, maybe it already has come. But I think we're looking really bright. Things are still good. If you're just getting into the market, you still have potential upside. But the hard thing is once you're at $100,000 Bitcoin, let's say it goes to 200,000. Okay, you get 100% gain. At the same time, there are people that have been buying since 15,000, 20,000, 30,000, and they're more likely to take some profits out, maybe keep some in. I'm planning on keeping a good majority of my Bitcoin, but also I trade Bitcoin and also I trade altcoins and I hold altcoins, but I'm planning on selling all those. So like I'm willing to sell. A lot of other people are willing to sell. And that could cause some headwinds where if you time it wrong, you just could get destroyed, especially in altcoins. That's why, one of the reasons why I do something long-term, like dollar cost averaging. I bought a ton of crypto throughout the bear market, and that's the majority of my bag. But I also, with my short-term holds, I do something called leverage trading. I use leverage on exchanges, basically getting access to more capital. So for example, on this trade, I have a position where I put up $2,000. I went on 5x leverage. So I got access to about $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. This is my short-term bag. I like trading. I largely like using leverage for my higher risk positions because of the fact that I can look at the same assets, right? I don't have to go find some meme coin that could go down to zero. Of course, leverage can go down to zero, but what I'm doing is I'm putting in long positions at key areas of support. So for example, on this trade, the average entry price was 91,600. Why is that? Well, when we got down to this level, 91,600, I thought, okay, we could fall further down, but Trump is coming in office. It seemed like there's a lot of unnecessary bearishness. So we were right near prior support. I can't remember if it was on the bounce up or right before we bounced down or right before we started to bounce off of that $89,000 mark. But yeah, we placed it towards the bottom, pretty much nailed the bottom, and then rode it all the way up. Now we're up 73%. Now, if I just bought spot, I'd be up 14%-ish, 15%. Instead, we're up 73.4%. Now, this isn't right for everyone because it's risky. I use a small portion of my portfolio for leverage trading, but this isn't the only time that we've done this. Just a few days ago, I talked about in the Patreon how I was going long at 100,000. I said on the channel, on the main channel, hey, we're at 105, but if we fall down to 100, I feel like this is a pretty good time to long ahead of the Trump presidency, ahead of Inauguration Day. We could see a flip just like we've seen on Solana or XRP. It's been pretty obvious what's been happening, right? Like you can scroll out on Solana and look just like over the last year. We've had these times, actually this is just too short. Let's look at the last year here. We've had these times where we kept on getting rejected by this downsloping resistance line. 1, 2, 3. We went above it, came back down, flipped it into support, and then rallied up. Same thing that we just saw with Bitcoin. Bitcoin happening later than Solana. Same thing with XRP. You can see literally the same pattern. Flipping from resistance into support, then rallying up. So I saw Bitcoin doing the same thing, macro and fundamentally, it matched up where I thought we're going to bounce, right? The Trump bounce. And that's exactly what happened. We went from 100 to 110 very quickly, and now we're back at 105. So I added to a position at 100,000, and then I opened up a SUI position at 105. Now, this doesn't always go right? You can lose money. You can be down on positions. You can see here on Weex, though, we're up on every single position, but we can lose out. Like I opened up a Trump trade on the new Trump token, and that went well. And then I opened up another one, and I got liquidated. So what you need to focus on, in my opinion, right? Unless you just want to play around with a new token like that, which has extreme volatility anyways. It's extremely risky. I knew that I would probably get liquidated on it, but what I like to do is use something like 5x, maybe 6x if you're at a really depressed price after we've seen a bit of a pullback, which honestly, right now we're at 105,000. We went to 100,000 a few times. We could move right back down there. Yesterday we were at 100,000. The day before that we were at 100,000. The day before that we were at 100,000. So we could move back down. Also, you could do something. If you're worried that this is going to run away from you with an executive order, we start seeing big purchases, which could happen, strategic Bitcoin reserve and stuff, you can open up, let's say, a 3x at 105,000. Your liquidation price would be right around 70,000, which we have not been at in months. That would put you right around here, which is below prior resistance. So most likely we won't come down to 70,000, but even if you did, if you used isolated combined margin, you could always add to your margin position just to lower your cost basis, or lower the liquidation point. So it would be less risky. So this is one way that you can outperform and make more money than people during the bull runs. You can stick just to the big caps. Like you can go out and buy some Bitcoin, SUI, XRP, the cryptos that you want, take profits on spot bags, then also take aggressive profits on leverage trading. But you can get into these positions, go low leverage, you'll make 3 to 5x more. There is a chance of liquidation. So just to be clear, like if you get liquidated, that can happen. On a 3x, let's say on XRP, you'd have to go down about $1.05. So $2.10 is about where you'd be liquidated, which is really far away from today's price. But I also wouldn't put in all the money that you want to use for leverage trading. Like you can see here, I still have a good amount available in case we fall down to add to these positions or open up new positions. That's key. So you need to approach this from a position of strength. Also, this is a small part of my portfolio. I buy big caps, spot bags, and hold those for the majority of the bull run. And I do low leverage long positions for my riskier bets. And that allows me, I think, even just the spot bags to outperform the general market, because a lot of people will go into the small caps and get wrecked. And then also doing 3x, 5x positions, I'm up significantly. This is from just a couple weeks ago. I'm up 70%, 234% on Sol, 145% on XRP, 38% on Ethereum. And this is without like the market running away. This is without a super explosive market. It's very volatile, but it's not like we're at new all-time highs right now. We're at 105,000. We were just at 110,000. You should have looked at these positions then. And again, It's not right for everyone. If you want kind of a beginner guide to this, I just released a 40-minute video on leverage trading on the Patreon, where I actually show Weex and how to go through trading on Weex specifically. So if you want to check that out, there is a link to it underneath the video, to the Patreon and to Weex. Of course, approach at your own risk, right? Like I said, it can be dangerous. Like, this is like dynamite, right? We're already in a very volatile market. This is dynamite where it can help you do a job much faster than trying to dig by hand, but it can also blow your hand off if you don't know what you're doing. So approach at your own risk. Make sure that if you're newer, use low leverage. Use a small amount. I give suggestions in the Patreon video for like what you should start with, but I would just start with like $100. $100, depending on how big your portfolio is. If you have $1,000 in crypto, maybe you don't want to start with $100. You have to get used to it. But this can help you kind of juice up your returns. Of course, like I said, I am doing this. I've done well on it so far, but again, you have to approach from a position of strength. You can't be like, I need 100x gain, so I'm going to go 100x leverage. No, you're going to get wiped out. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Check out Weex. Check out the Patreon. I'll see you all.